2021 F-150. We're going to place the cabin air filter today. First, open the glove box door. On the left and the right hand side of the glove box, there's these little push tabs, little retaining clips. You can just push those in. Glove box will fold down. You can just pull it straight out. That'll expose the air filter housing here. On the left and the right hand side, there's these little wing clips. You can simply pull out left and right, remove the cover. You can note the airflow on this filter is facing down into the blower cage. So when we put our new filter in, we're going to make sure that our airflow is in fact facing downwards. Once you get the new filter set, you're going to replace the housing cover. These wires might kind of get in the way, so if they do, just pull them down. You can see the clips here where it's going to go in. So you're going to align the tabs, kind of struggling here with one hand. Get the tabs clicked in, push until it clicks on the left and right side. We're going to go ahead and put the glove box door back on. You can see those three retainers there. I'm just going to have to line those up on the bottom side of the glove box door. As soon as you get them lined up and snapped in, you can simply push the glove box door up and you're all set.